We get some new information on the Galaxy S10, and it's finally not screen protector leaks. According to analysts, we could be getting new iPads soon, including a refresh of the iPad mini, and DxOMark just brought a rating for the Pixel 3 that we're still scratching our heads over. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from the country where spring never ends, Guatemala. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals appear in the market for a good smartphone, but from last year. Right now, we've got some really good ones for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Currently $480, and the specifications are great. I mean, there are still products this year that don't rival that phone when it comes to all their power, so you can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about AT&T. As the company's making this very interesting change as of next year. They just announced that the LTE indicator on your phone might change, and now you're going to get 5GE, which stands for 5G Evolution, which is sort of awkward because you're not technically getting full 5G. Sure, LTE is part of the combo, but it's not the full thing, one. And two, the code is 5GNR, not 5GE, so stay tuned for that. Yes, they have started deploying 5G in that hotspot thingy, but the Nighthawk, but hey. Now let's move the spotlight over to other weird news. I mean, DxOMark, I don't know, man. They just posted something today that I'm like, no, this can't be. They just gave the Google Pixel 3 a rating of 101, which according to pretty much all of us in this industry is the best smartphone camera. I debate between this and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, but it's not at the level of the Huawei P20, the standard, which has a higher rating, and it's not at the level of the iPhone XR. The Pixel 3 is superior than these phones. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about these ratings? I mean, hey, it's... never mind. Now let's talk about iPads, as we've got China Times reporting that we might be getting two very interesting changes as of next year. The first one, that the entry-level 9.7-inch iPad apparently will grow into a 10-inch model, which I'm hoping what they're going to do is grab the previous iPad Pro's thinner bezel design and bring that to the 9.7-inch. And then we finally get a refresh to the iPad mini. My God, that one's taken a while, and it'll even support Apple Pencil, which for me would be like the perfect combo. iPad mini with Apple Pencil. Stay tuned, let's see what we get. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10, and don't worry, we're not going to talk about screen protectors. This time it's all about two things. The first one, that it seems that the aspect ratio of the phone is going to grow to 19.5 by 9 or somewhere around there, which makes sense. I mean, if the phone is going to be dropping bezels, then surely the display will get taller without sacrificing making the phone any bigger. But even more interesting is that XDI developers recently dissected this One UI build and found that there is this bright night feature. And I know we've got nightscape, night sight, night mode. We've got so many. Yeah, they had to come up with a name, Bright Night. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about the name Bright Night, and what would you like to see? Because in my case, I'll tell you this much. I did a comparison recently with the Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm actually due to do an After the Buzz for that phone soon. And that phone with that f1.5 aperture can make some of the phones with that night mode thingy look bad. So I can't imagine what Samsung's going to bring. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.